Hello, beautiful souls. It's Empress Shey. Welcome back to the Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal, a 30-day journey of emotional wisdom, ancestral release, intuitive awakening, and soul level rebirth. Each day, we're moving deeper into alignment, deeper into clarity, and deeper into the truth of who we are becoming. Let today's message meet you where you are, hold you with grace, and guide you with love. Let's flow. Day 8, healing your mind. It's all about mental clarity, thought detox, and inner stillness. Your mind is a sacred space. During Jupiter retrograde in Cancer, the mind becomes a mirror of the emotional body. If your emotions were stirred yesterday, today your thoughts are being reorganized, purified, and rewritten. Your mind is not meant to be a battlefield. It is meant to be a sanctuary. Day 8 helps you notice where your thoughts have been looping, draining, or cluttering your inner space. Jupiter retrograde softens your mental noise and guides you into a space of clarity, stillness, and inner wisdom. The goal isn't to stop thinking, it's to think in ways that support your healing. This is the day you begin rewiring your mental patterns, releasing self-doubt and replacing old narratives with truth, discernment, and grounded self-awareness. Your thoughts shape your reality. Today, you claim the narrator's pen. Day 8 of Jupiter retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal focuses on healing your mind, releasing mental overwhelm, and restoring clarity, confidence, and inner peace. If you've been overthinking, mentally exhausted, or battling emotional noise in your thoughts, this lesson helps you create calm. Shift your mindset and realign with higher truth. It's perfect for anyone seeking emotional balance, mental clarity, spiritual grounding, and personal growth during Jupiter retrograde. And before you go, take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support truly helps this healing space reach the souls who were meant to find it. And I'm excited to announce that I've started a new guided meditation series on my channel. It's going to be on healing energies with Empress Shey on my YouTube channel. And it's also listed on Daily, Align, and Evolve. Those are both my YouTube channels. These meditations are designed to support your emotional healing, alignment, and inner peace throughout Jupiter retrograde in Cancer. Make sure you check them out if you're needing grounding, clarity, or soothing energy on your journey. I also want to remind you that I offer weekly tarot readings for the collective on my not both YouTube channels, but on Healing Energy with Empress Shey. Every Thursday, we explore the overall collective energy and the current planetary alignments that resonate with that energy so that you get the full picture of what the cosmos is activating and how that energy is showing up in your life. And on Saturdays, I release the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer reading where we go deeper into emotional and spiritual shifts happening during this retrograde season. So make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss a message meant for you. And remember, the healing portal doesn't stop here. Even though Grand Water Trine has completed, the journey continues all the way until Jupiter retrograde ends on March 10th. This portal has always been rooted in Jupiter retrograde and Cancer energy, activating your fourth house of home, family, emotional roots, and inner security. And because Jupiter is retrograde, this work is internal, reflective, and transformative. Stay with the process. Trust what's surfacing. Honor the healing happening beneath the surface. Thank you for being here, and thank you for choosing this healing space. And thank you for allowing me to walk with you on this journey. As this Jupiter retrograde in Cancer continues to open and cleanse our emotional world, remember, your healing is your power, your clarity is your protection, and your softness is your strength. Take what resonates, release what doesn't, and keep moving gently towards your rebirth. I'll meet you again tomorrow as we rise, align, and evolve one day at a time. Stay grounded, stay open, and stay divine. This is Empress Shey, and have yourself a wonderful rest of your day.